Hey guys, Shane with Grand Teton Harley-Davidson here in Idaho Falls, Idaho. Talk to you today just real quick about two brand new models we received, the 2022 Road Glide ST and Street Glide ST models, brand new from Harley-Davidson Motor Company. We just want to highlight these models real quick to help you find what might be the right choice for you. First off, you guys, these bikes do share a lot of similarities with what we've seen in the past from Harley, but it's very important to notice the moniker at the end of what we're looking at here, and that is both the ST in both these models, which stands for Sport Touring. That Sport Touring segment is setting up a blank canvas for those who want to build a little bit more of a performance touring motorcycle. So to start off highlighting the features of these bikes, you guys, the first thing I want to discuss is the 117 motor, and it's coming from factory, which up until this point has been the largest offering Harley's done, and it's only been available in the CVO models. So this is the first time we've been able to have that street touring or performance bike off the showroom floor, mass flow cold air intake, and a 117-inch motor to match it. Huge update to what we've got to offer. So to go hand in hand with the 117-inch motor, they've actually updated the rear suspension on these bikes to be a full 3-inch suspension, which is giving us an additional inch of travel within that shock. So a direct benefit of that inch in shock height is you're going to actually increase the cornering capabilities to 32-degree lean angle on your right-hand side and a 31-degree lean angle on your left-hand side, allowing for a lot more fun in and out of the corners. So to round out the similarities between these two sport touring models, we have ABS, Boombox GTS with the color touchscreen, Daymaker LED headlights, and the RDRS system. Both of these bikes are set up and directed to provide a blank slate for you to create your own ultimate performance bagger. The 2022 Road Glide ST and Street Glide ST come available in two color options, Vivid Black as well as Gunship Gray, both fitted with the black highlights and the bronze accents directly from the manufacturer. With all these similarities between the two models we just talked about, you might be questioning or asking yourself, which one should I actually get? Well, let's chat about that real quick. But before we get started into that, you guys, please just take a second, give Grand Teton Harley-Davidson YouTube a like, subscribe to our channel. I like my job, I'd like to keep it, and it really makes a big difference at the end of the day, so I really appreciate it. So first, guys, let's talk about the Road Glide ST, which carries some very specific advantages based upon its fixed fairing design. So first of all, with that fixed fairing design, what we have is a fairing that does not move with the handlebar. So we've reduced the amount of weight in a sense that we've tied directly to that bar itself. Makes it a little easier to turn, a little less sprung weight on that steering column. Second, what we have is a fairing that's pushed out a little farther in front of you. A little less claustrophobic to some not, but it does give us some more advantages in adjustability for feature comfort such as handlebars. And third, the downforce that is actually created coming over this style and design of fairing gives it phenomenal stick to the road and great handling appeal. Okay guys, now to highlight some features on the Street Glide ST. First and foremost, it's iconic styling. From the name branding and the design of the front fairing, nobody mistakes this bike for anything but Harley-Davidson motorcycle. Second, it does have slipstream venting that comes through the front of the fairing to allow for some enhanced control and reduced buffeting. And third, this bike has more of a centrally located control group, which allows for great comfort and great confidence when riding this motorcycle. So, hey guys, real quick, I just want to throw out, I have a personal preference to the Road Glide ST, and it is directly related to the fact that I am 6'2", I have long arms and legs, and it does feel more laid out and just more comfortable and more confidence inspiring for me when I ride. But that's the important part, is these bikes are designed and built to be fit to the individual. So it's really crucial that you come down, you throw your legs on both of them, and you see which bike fits you the best, which one calls your name, because ultimately we want to make the right decision for you. We touched on the fact briefly that these bikes are amazing blank canvases for those performance bagger setups of your dreams. One of the easiest ways we can take this amazing 117-inch motor and even add some more pizzazz, some more power, some more pucker, however you want to look at it, is to simply drop in a cam. We've got a couple of really nice, easy options in torque and horsepower, and man, I'm telling you what, if you want to wake this thing up, that's the best return you're going to see for your buck. Thanks for watching our video on the 2022 Road Glide ST and Street Glide ST. Be sure and subscribe and watch for future content. Thanks and have a great day.